In the hustle and bustle of modern life, having a reliable and versatile food storage solution is a game changer. The HoleviFO food storage containers, adorned in a vibrant blue hue, promise not only functionality but a revolution in your meal preparation and storage routine. Let's dive into what makes these containers the must-have addition to your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Microwave safe and BPA-free for your safety. Safety is paramount, and the HoleviFO containers prioritize it. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free materials, these microwave-safe deli containers provide a solid construction with snug lids. The silicone resin sealing ring and four-sided latches create an airtight and leak-proof lock, ensuring your soups, stews, and sauces stay securely stored without any worries. Different sizes catering to your varied needs. Versatility is the essence of the HoleviFO set. With 3 different rectangular containers, each serving a unique purpose: 44 ounces, 27 ounces, and 13.5 ounces, you have the perfect solution for every storage requirement. Ideal for portion control and stackable for a neat pantry, these containers endure regular use, maintaining their durability and aesthetic appeal. Multipurpose containers for every occasion. HoleviFO goes beyond the ordinary. These containers, made from robust plastic, are your kitchen companions in the microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, and freezer. Whether you are planning a trip or simply storing your favorite snacks, fruits, or leftovers at home, these sturdy containers can withstand temperatures ranging from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit 20°C to 120°C. Customer care promise, your satisfaction guaranteed. HoleviFO takes pride in making your life easier, organized, and visible. If, for any reason, you don't love your food containers with lids, their customer care team is ready to assist. Simply send them back, and they will provide a free replacement or refund. Your satisfaction is their priority. In conclusion, the HoleviFO food storage containers are not just containers, they are a lifestyle upgrade. From microwave safety to versatile sizing, multipurpose functionality, and a customer care promise, these containers redefine the way you approach food storage. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.